And then this is one of the nice features of the house. You have a relaxing balcony space. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting an 8-bedroom single detached house and lot for sale located in a great community here in Quezon City, Metro Manila. And what makes this property special is that on top of it being such a maximized property, check this out. You have a very quiet and peaceful community. You have a wide road. You have a very bikeable, walkable community, which is great with a property of this size. And check out the description for the pricing also. In terms of the size, it has a lot area of 200 square meters and a floor area of about 500 square meters across 3 levels. Come on, let's go. Upon entering the pedestrian gate, you have a parking area here for 2 vehicles. Completely covered. So the house is currently occupied, that's why you'll see a lot of furniture inside, but this house is already fully furnished. You have a nice koi garden here on your left. The house is very homey and welcoming. Let's go. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have your entrance foyer here, and then an additional living space on your left side. You have a door which gives you access towards the parking area. And then you have a grand living, dining, and kitchen space with an open layout. And check out this unique double height ceiling area with these 4 pillars. This reinforces the 3rd level. But there's so much natural light and ventilation. And you also have a living space on this side. This window gives you a view of greenery. So it's a vacant lot right beside the house. So very good ventilation for the property as of now. But on top of that, even if you go to the 2nd and 3rd levels, the house is also well lit. And you also have a balcony and an open space at the 3rd level. Now from your main living space, you have an open kitchen and dining area. So check out the cool features here. You have a display area for china and plates and this cool wall clock built directly into the wall. On the other side, you have an open kitchen space with a C-shaped counter. Very modern and minimalist look. You have all the appliances already built in here. And it gives you a great view also of the entire living area while you're staying here. So if you're over here, you see you have this great view of your entire living and dining space. Now on this side, you have a dedicated laundry area. And then this room is a storage room. And then you also have your water tank here at the back and the pressure tank. And you can walk to the side of the house here. Let's go. So clearing the entire living space of walls gives you a very open feel. Now, you also have a powder room on this side for guests. Let's go. Hello. Let's head on up through the spiral staircase. Okay, so we're here now at the second level, and you have your first room on this side. Okay, good enough to fit a single bed, and it also has its own bathroom. On this side, you have an additional amenity space, which is currently being used as an exercise area. It's also very well ventilated here. And then on the other side, this is a large window, so you can open this up if you want more natural light. And you see that you have a view of your living space from here. And then here you have your second room. This can be a second bedroom, but it's currently set up as a home office and study room. You have access here towards a balcony space. It's a shared balcony with the third room, which we're going to take a look at. It also has a shared bathroom, which we will check out from the other side. Here, we have the third bedroom. This is facing the front of the house, and you see that it has the shared balcony with the second room. For a house like this, it's up to you after you purchase it how you want to make revisions for your own personal taste. But what I love is there's so much room to add on and improve and potentially put your personal touches to. And then this is the shared bathroom with the second room. And you have the water closet here on the other side. Okay. Hello. So that's Koki. And this is Coco. So far we've taken a look at 3 rooms. We're now going to take a look at the 4th room. This is set up as the primary bedroom or master bedroom. So here, you have the primary bedroom. So this is still going to get set up and finished, but it's a corner room on the west side of the property. And then you have a walk-in closet space here that's quite sizable. And then on this side, you have once again a sizable master bathroom space. And there's even an additional area here, which can be a shower area or even potentially a sauna. Okay. Here. The stairs are also for finishing. So let's head on up towards the 3rd level. Welcome to the 3rd level. This house also comes with a kitchenette here. So you have a sink space already. And then this is one of the nice features of the house. You have a relaxing balcony space. So this is facing the afternoon sun, but in the mornings this is quite cool because the morning sun is on the other side, and once it reaches late afternoon here, this has a great view of the sunset. On this side, you have the 5th room and the 6th room. This is the 5th room. It's a corner room facing the front of the house. Good ceiling height as well. Aircon is already here. Let's go. Here you have the 6th room. I'm just gonna stand here so you see the size. Also a corner room with 2 windows. Aircon also included. And then the 5th and 6th rooms have a shared bathroom. Just a quick look with the tempered glass enclosure, water heater, and we have 2 more rooms to go. And here we have the 7th room. Built-in storage on this side. And then this is facing the morning sun. And it has an ensuite bathroom. Water heater already included with a sink space. Let's go. After the 7th room, we're taking a look at the 8th room here, which has a nice surprise. Hi guys! It's currently set up as a puppy room. You see, you have these adorable puppies right here. Hi guys! And you have built-in storage already. And from this 8th room, you have a library room also. Currently set up as a study area. So if you count all the rooms in total, this house already has 8 rooms. If you include the storage, that's 9 rooms. So if you're asking where's the maid's room or staff room, currently, it's up to you how you want to set it up. You can use one of the rooms in the 2nd level or potentially convert the storage room downstairs, which is quite spacious, into the maid's or staff room. It's up to you. There are so many choices. And we're not yet done with the tour. On top of that, you have this cool amenity space. You have a covered 3rd level living space. This can be a game area. Currently, it's a place where they have some pet birds. Hi guys. And it's a great entertainment space. And check this out. There's a 3rd level outdoor bathtub on this side. And check out this view. Imagine just relaxing here and you have this window. So, just a great additional amenity space. With a hammock here. And a great place to also nurture some plants. Currently, it's set up as a 3rd level garden. This is fully covered. And it also has a great view of the village. And let me tell you, this is such a secure and peaceful village. And I love the accessibility. It's actually our first time to shoot a video in this community, and we'd love to tour you if you are interested in this house. And that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this unique 8-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Quezon City near Katipunan and Commonwealth, you can contact us through our email and number in the description below. You can also follow us and send us a message through Instagram and Facebook. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.